Hi. It is very easy to link petty cash expenses to the cash withdrawal done from bank. In simpliRP ERP, go to Report on Bank Deposit, Withdrawal. Select the date range and relevant bank. In the list, click on the particular withdrawal amount. In the pop-up, you can see all the petty cash expenses done after that withdrawal date and less than that amount. Select all the expenses you want to link to the withdrawal amount. Then click Save Cash Expenses List. Once done, you can click on the withdrawal amount again and you can see the cash expenses link. You can also click on the transaction ID to see the detailed list. simpliRP is the easiest way to manage your accounts department. Thank you.